Okay, YouTube, gonna do a quick review video of the QuiqLite X Rechargeable. World's only hands-free concealed LED light source for your uniform shirt pocket. And there you can see the guy's wearing it in his uniform shirt pocket. 10-minute auto-off timer, independent LED activation, micro USB rechargeable, a whole bunch of other features. This is a red and white LED, 20 up to 75 looms, 4 modes, 50-degree viewing angle. Included the quick flare personal safety flare attachment. And there's their website, QuiqLite.com. And up front, or up top here, is a diagram of what it all has. You get your anti-glare visor, dual LEDs, on-off switch. Let's see, USB charging port, LED charging indicator, rotating removable magnetic clip, power boost, and adjustable light arm. So it came in this packaging. For glare, I just took it out, but basically just was in there. Here's your owner's manual. Goes over some of the features of it, function, super bright mode, tactical mode, functions, the back side here I believe is your warranties, wearing instructions, run times, charge time is approximately 2 hours, and at dual LEDs of 150 looms you'll get 2.5 hours. Strobe time up to 5 hours. And you can replace the battery, so that is nice. It goes over how to replace the battery there. That's a nice feature to have. So originally I had this one here. I got the red one because I wanted to have the red night vision features, kind of, the easier on your eyes. But then I decided I wanted one with a little bit more light. There is your high beam on your single LED white light, low and high. So originally I had this one. Like I said, wanted it a little bit more light, so then I got this one here. And this one I've been wearing constantly for the probably close to the past year. Patent numbers, some pupil calculate or pupil scale, I guess, pupil measurements. And that is the QuiqLite. Now this one, you've got 1 push, 2 push, and you've got high beam, low beam, and off. Or you can do high beam on just 1 LED or high beam on 2 LEDs. Let's see here. So it's got a nice projection of the beam. So what I will do, or what I do, is I put it in here, and then I clip this on to my external vest carrier, up right above my left shoulder. Okay, and then when I get out of my squad, if I'm walking up to a vehicle, I'll usually have my flashlight with me, but once I can tell that the people are complying, that there's no weapons in their hands, I'll put my flashlight away just so that I have 2 hands available if I need to, and then I'll just use this to illuminate the vehicle so that I can see what they're doing and what they're reaching for and things of that nature. I really like it. If you've ever heard J.D. Buck Savage say, hands kill, so if you can have your hands free, should you need to defend yourself, and keep an eye on their hands by having an illumination and a light source, that's definitely going to be to your advantage. Instead of having to put the flashlight underneath your armpit, or find a way to hold it so that you can still have your hands free and still be able to write or whatever you need to do if you need to look at a driver's license. There is the charging port. It has a full 360-degree clip like it says. Now on this one, the pocket clips right here and here are broken. If you look on this other one, you'll see the clip is still there. They did, and on one of them I did break this part here, this clip. They sent me a replacement one. And I've got that, just don't have it here. The other thing is the quick flare, they call it. And I'll use that on this one so that you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. Basically, you got these little grooves right here and right here. And they slide onto those grooves like so. And then you press and hold, and you've got a flare. Then double tap, switch it, there you go. And I'll show you the flare on this one here. Press and hold. There you go. I don't use this. This I keep in my bag. You know, I don't know. I guess you could put it in your pocket maybe, and if you ever needed it, slide it on. But really, I don't think that's realistic. I don't. You know, it's not on there very secure. I just don't know how reliable that's going to be. So I just use it for the light feature part. I like it because it projects the light out and away from you, so you're not really illuminating yourself. It's, you know, adjustable this way, up and down, but left and right, you'd obviously have to move your body. And I feel it provides a good beam of light. So the pros on this, on the QuiqLite, projects the light out, and it gets good distance. You're not illuminating yourself. The bad is it's, you know, it's got this aluminum housing here, but it's plastic for the most part. I mean, the hinge, metal, but a lot of the other stuff, like the clip, like I said, I broke on my other one, and here this shirt pocket clip, that's broke. Looks like that's about to come off, which isn't good. You can see the wires there, but so I like this. Projects the beam out and away from you. Very small and compact. Very good product, very good design, and I just placed an order for an all aluminum one. They're still in making it, manufacturing it, designing it, whatever. But there's going to be a model that's going to be all aluminum, and I think that's really what they need. I think the plastic one is just not rugged enough for the type of use that we put it through. I have no doubt that if you were to get into a scuffle or anything like that with this one, it would break very easily. So, and I don't know what the new one, what the all aluminum one is going to do, if it's going to look the same. I think it's going to be the same design, just everything's made out of aluminum. So it should be a little bit more durable, but I'd like to see a stronger one, because this one, like I said, I've broken the clip, I've broken this clip, and I just don't know how reliable the rest of this stuff is here. But other than that, very good. This is what I wear on my uniform every day. To me, it's just really nice to be able to free up your hands. And I've had a lot of other officers say, you know, what is that, asking me about it and things like that, because I'll be out on a stop and they'll have one hand with a flashlight in it, and I will have both my hands free. So I would say that this is a necessity, really a lifesaver, in my opinion, if you can have your hands free. I know some guys are like, oh, it's nice to have a flashlight in your hand in case you need to use it to do a baton strike or or something, you know, to strike somebody with it but in my opinion, I'd rather have my hands free and be able to grab a taser or pepper spray or my baton or whatever instead of having a flashlight, especially if you carry a smaller flashlight, you know, that's not going to do much. So that was the review of the QuiqLite X rechargeable. As soon as I get my new aluminum one, I will definitely be doing a review video of it. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section. Thanks.